The security time function is a powerful water conservation and anti-flooding feature. It is programmed in faucets and shower controls and prevents continuous flushing of water due to reflection or vandalism. By default, if the sensor is covered for more than 90 seconds for faucets or 10 minutes for showers, the water flow will automatically shut off. To resume regular operation, any obstruction must be removed. The security time can first be decreased down to a minimum of 30 seconds, after which it can be increased to any value between 30 to 90 seconds. Press the security time button. Make sure that the sensor is in adjusting mode and press minus a few times to reduce the security time or plus to increase it. As an indication that the security time was successfully changed, rapid red blinking in the sensor eye will be perceived.